everyone. I am Dr. Mansi Chauhan, Consultant Surgical Oncology at CK Birla Hospital, Gurgaon. And
I am Dr. Anmol Chugh. I am a cosmetic and plastic surgeon at CK Birla Hospital.
so we will be talking about some common questions regarding breast cancer treatment, surgical options and breast reconstruction options today. So Dr. Anmol, it's a very common myth that if a patient is diagnosed with breast cancer, she has to lose her breast. So what is your opinion about it?
So, as we know that we have just celebrated breast cancer awareness month, and October being a breast cancer awareness, we have read a very good message about that also. So, I think if it is diagnosed early, then basically you can protect the breast also. So, हमें उस balance को बना के रखना चाहिए and उसको lightly नहीं लेना चाहिए. वो कुछ symptoms होते हैं, कुछ signs होते हैं जो I think कुछ ऐसे होते हैं, you will be able to help better.
So basically what we're trying to say is if diagnosed early, अगर early stage में ही हम disease को पकड़ लेते हैं तो we can conserve the breast, which is called breast conservation surgery, which is very much oncologically safe. And with the newer techniques of oncoplasty, even bigger tumors and better cosmetic results can be achieved with oncoplasty. So what do you have to say?
So हमारे पास now even if you're diagnosed with breast cancer, I know it's a big thing, पूरा stress वाली चीज होती है, किसी भी cancer word सुनते ही हर एक का tension हो जाती है. But if you have a good team which includes a good surgical oncologist and plastic surgeon, then the results can be immediately delivered. जो आप breast lose कर रहे हैं वो reconstruct हो सकती है. Reconstruct कैसे कि there are multiple ways to reconstruct. There are breast implants जो कि सिलिकॉन इम्प्लांट्स होते हैं, उससे रिकंस्ट्रक्ट कर सकते हैं. आपकी बॉडी का टिश्यू जो बैक से लेके हम उसको आगे लगा सकते हैं, ब्रेस्ट की शेप दे सकते हैं. एक बहुत ही अच्छा एक है जिसको DIP फ्लैप बोलते हैं, उसके अंदर आप टमी का जो फैट है, टमी की जो स्किन है, उसको ब्रेस्ट में डाल सकते हो. उसमें डबल फायदा है, आप अपनी टमी फैट भी लूज कर रहे हैं और ब्रेस्ट भी एनहांस कर रहे हैं. सो ये सारे प्रोसीजर्स हैं. इसके लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है आप अपना प्रमाण से क्या बताना चाहेंगे कि आपको इनिशियल कंसल्टेशन जो पेशेंट की होती है, आई थिंक पहला जो आपके पास आता है तो आप उसमें क्या गाइड करते हैं?
Actually, patient जब कंसल्टेशन के लिए आते हैं, they are so worried about the cancer diagnosis itself कि और सारी बातें करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. But they need to understand that ये बहुत emergency वाला या hurriedly लेने वाला decision नहीं होता है. They have to take their own time. They have to take, if required, second opinions with the plastic surgeons. And दो ऑप्शंस हमारे पास हमेशा अवेलेबल होते हैं. whether we can conserve the breast बचा के हम सर्जरी कर सकते हैं, और if required अगर स्टेज ऐसी है, ट्यूमर फैल रहता है या पेशेंट कंसेंट दे रहा है कि हमें टोटली पूरा ब्रेस्ट रिमूव ही करना है, सो इमीडिएटली ड्यूरिंग दैट कैंसर सर्जरी ब्रेस्ट रिकंस्ट्रक्शन भी हो सकता है. दिस ऑप्शन शुड ऑलवेज बी डिस्कस विद द पेशेंट ड्यूरिंग द कंसल्टेशन. So it has to be a cancer consultation as well as a reconstructive consultation at the same time, because आने वाले 2 साल बाद जब पेशेंट टोटली ठीक हो जाता है, it has a huge impact on psychological life of the patient, the social life of the patient and the body image concerns. So this has to be taken seriously and discussed then and there.
So very well said कि एक जो सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस है, हम बीमारी को ट्रीट कर देते हैं लेकिन उसका सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस कई बार नहीं आप रिस्टोर कर पाते. सो व्हाट वी कॉल इज इमीडिएट ब्रेस्ट रिकंस्ट्रक्शन. ब्रेस्ट कैंसर आप निकालते हैं, आपके पास एक ऑप्शन है कि इमीडिएटली आप रिकंस्ट्रक्ट कर सकें, टीम की तरह काम कर सकें, तो आपको दोबारा सेटिंग भी नहीं करनी पड़ती. एंड देयर आर ऑप्शंस कि जब आपकी कीमो और रेडियोथेरेपी चल रही हो, आप अपनी ऑप्शंस डिस्कस करिए अपने ऑन्को सर्जन के साथ, अपने प्लास्टिक सर्जन के साथ, व्हाट इज द राइट प्रोसीजर. आपके एग्जामिनेशन के बाद एज अ टीम वी कैन टेल यू एग्जैक्टली व्हाट कैन बी डन और व्हाट कैन नॉट बी डन. So it is important, I think, to have a detailed discussion with the team and any test that you would recommend that कोई age जैसे हमारे लोगों को लगता है कि एक पर्टिकुलर एज पे करवा लेनी चाहिए, ब्रेस्ट कैंसर पता लगना चाहिए, साइंस कुछ ऐसे हैं कुछ हम जैसे.
So basically screening of breast cancer should be done annually to diagnose it early. And once diagnosed at early stage, the chances of cure are very high, more than 90%. That is why every woman is advised to undergo an annual screening. So the recommendations are for females above 40 years of age, they should get an annual mammography done. But even females who are below 40 years of age, because in our country we see younger women affected with breast cancer as well. So they should also get themselves screened annually by a clinical breast examination by the breast specialist and an ultrasound when required. So this screening will help you get diagnosis at an early stage so that your chances of cure gets better, your chances of breast conservation gets better, and you could think about your life beyond the cancer treatment. Also, I would like to point out, as you were saying, that cancer treatment surgery के बाद में there's a lot of other treatment also happening like chemotherapy and radiation therapy. But with the use of all autologous flab जो बता रहे थे डॉक्टर अनमोल की जो टमी से फैट लेते हैं या बैक से फैट लेते हैं, तो these kind of treatment options they tolerate radiation therapy very well. So there are always options available.
So end point is that you should explore all your options. Like you said, that get multiple consultations until unless you're convinced. It is a life-changing surgery, both removal of the cancer and also the reconstructive surgery. Get all the options, get all the opinions, and always look for a team. It is important that you have a proper setup because cancer alone cannot be fought. It has to be fought as a team. You and us, we can fight it together, and that's the right way to go about it. What about you?
Definitely, very rightly said, Dr. Anmol. So it is not a one person's job to treat breast cancer. It's a teamwork and it has to be comprehensively managed. And thank you so much for listening to us very patiently. And if you have further queries regarding breast cancer surgeries, oncoplastic surgeries, or breast reconstructive surgeries, kindly contact us on the given contact details.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.